Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. First top stories. State observes 180th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Chief Minister announces to develop the Gambhir Singh Memorial Complex as tourist spot. Now the news in detail. The 180th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh was observed today, which was organized by Archaeology Department at the Memorial Complex located at Langtabal. Chief Minister O.E. Bobby, Works Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar, MLAs R.K. Anand, Karam Shyam, Alexander Pau, P. Brozen and many distinguished persons attended the function. Floral tributes were paid to the photographs of Gambhir Singh and nursing by those attended in the function and honored those martyrs who died in 7 years' devastation, also known as Chahi Taret Khuntakpa. As part of the function, Tarpan was offered to those martyrs of 7 years' devastation, led by Chief Minister, and a memorial complex was also opened. Speaking on the occasion, many speakers recalled the life and work of Gambhir Singh. They also drew the attention of the authorities concerned to preserve and construct the complex as a heritage site and removal of army posts at Langtabal Hills. They further mentioned that Gambhir Singh had established the Manipur levy and was the secular king of Manipur, and his effort and contributions always remain in the heart of Manipuri people. In a speech, Chief Minister said this generation will take the lead role to develop the state and bringing about an independent state. He also stated that the Maharaj Gambhir Singh complex at Kantipur is a historic place and is sure to develop as heritage site as well as a tourist spot. The Chief Minister said the detailed project report has been sent to the Government of India and hope for sanction at the earliest and appeal to the people for cooperation to develop the complex a historical place.
Tourist destination Bharat Sarkar ki look its policy ki makhada sidagina akoi impan dagina kano phawba akoi more phawba paikhalakadoriba lambi paktokpa masigi beautification atai development mayam lakadoriba sidaida akoi gi Maharaj Gambhir Singh gi samadhi asisu akoi ajauba tourist ki destination ma oinanaba akoi
Manipur Canoe Spin Team, who are participating in the 24th National Canoe Championship to be held in Bhopal from 14 to 20th January, was flagged off today by All Manipur Canoeing and Kayaking President Joytin Waikom from Kangla Mot. 27 boys, 13 girls and 4 officials are representing for Manipur in the championship. One-day discussion on construction of Loktak Boundary Ring Road and its impact to the fish farmers of surrounding villages, organized by Paddy Cum Pisciculture Association, Nachau, was held yesterday at Nachau Lakshmi Bazar. Jila Parishad Nachau member T.H. Dilip, Pradhans, members and many villagers attended the function. Speaking at the function, Committee Against Construction of Loktak Boundary Ring Road Secretary Hero Thaudam condemned the government's proposed ring road, which have 40-feet canal outer boundary of the Loktak, which will affect the villagers, especially the fish farmers. Center for Research Advocacy spokesperson Jiten Yumnam also condemned the initiative taken up by the government and worried about the privatization of our Loktak Lake. He also said the proposed outer ring road could not succeed if not taken the consent of the surrounding villagers of the lake. Environmentalist R.K. Ranjan said the historic Loktak is the life of fishermen and it is a symbol of our community. He also said the government should not snatch away the life of fishermen and appealed to stop the proposed Loktak boundary ring road at the earliest. Before we wind up, let's take a quick glance at the top stories once again. State observes 180th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Chief Minister announces to develop the Gambhir Singh Memorial Complex as tourist spot. That's all for today, and thanks for staying with us.